Alright, buckle up, Buttercup, because today we are about to dive into the thrilling world of ordering numbers. Yeah, ordering them, like some kind of numerical Marie Kondo, sparkling joy by putting everything in its rightful place, and since you're dealing with the glorious GCSE Maths, we'll be covering integers, decimals and fractions, because why keep things simple, right? Integers, the whole shebang, and then some with a minus sign. Imagine integers as your collection of eccentric, whole-numbered relatives. Some are positive, all sunshine and rainbows, shouting, "Look at me, I'm bigger and better," just like that aunt who always brags about her holiday to Benidorm. Others are negative, lurking in the shadows, muttering about how much colder they are than everyone else. Think of your goth cousin who only wears black. Positive integers, these are the guys that strut around and are your standard counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. The bigger the number, the more they strut their stuff. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Negative integers. Now, these are where things get interesting. Think of them as owing money to the number fairy. The further away from zero they are, the deeper in debt they are. So minus 10 is way more broke than minus 1. Get it? It's like a reverse popularity contest. Let's start with ordering integers. Positive versus negative. Positives are always greater than negatives. It's a bit like comparing a winning lottery ticket to a parking fine. Within positives, simply arrange them from smallest to largest, a bit like lining up for a free pizza. Within the negatives, remember the smaller the number, ignoring the minus sign, the less negative it is, so minus 1 is greater than minus 10. It's a little bit like saying, "Oh, I only owe £1," versus "I owe my entire life savings." And then we move on to decimals, fractions' annoying little cousins. Decimals are like fractions that have given up on being elegant and decided to show off their dirty laundry instead. Think of them as fractions that in their I can't be bothered loungewear. Ordering decimals? Well, it's quite easy. Line them up by the decimal point. Imagine them as soldiers in a very OCD regiment. Compare the digits from left to right. If one digit is larger, that decimal wins. It's a bit like a very slow, very boring horse race. If you have negative decimals, remember the same rules as negative integers apply. Minus 0.1 is larger than minus 1.1. Then we have fractions. Fractions are the aristocrats of the number world, always demanding special treatment. They insist on being written as a ratio, and they can be a right royal pain to compare. When ordering fractions, the golden rule is find the common denominator, the bottom number. It's like giving everyone the same currency so you can compare their wealth. Compare the numerators once the denominators are the same. Just compare the numerators, so the top numbers. The larger the numerator, the larger the fraction. It's like comparing how many slices of pizza each person has had when everyone has cut their pizza into the exact same number of slices. Then we have negative fractions. Follow the same rules as negative integers and decimals. A fraction close to zero is always greater than a fraction further away. And there you have it. You've just conquered the mighty beast of ordering numbers. Now go forth and impress your examiners with your newfound numerical process. Or you could just use a calculator, whichever floats your boat.